Hello, I'm Rebecca Hofstetter with EFAFLEX. Today we are talking about digitalization and how machines will take over the world. Internet of Things, in brief, IoT, Industry 4.0 or smart building are buzzwords that accompany us every day. Machine systems and equipment are fitted with smart sensors and linked to each other. This allows us to design processes and interactions with our customers and between machine systems quickly and efficiently. In this way, digitalization is also a driver for sustainability. At EFAFLEX, we have been driving the digitalization of our doors for many years already. Klaus Mahnlig, the head of EFAFLEX Sales Academy, gives you an insight into the digital world of EFAFLEX.
Wie Rebecca schon sagte,
as Rebecca's just said, today we take a look at the digital solutions EFAFLEX has developed for its customers. I would like to show you which tools we're able to offer our clients today to support them digitally and which benefits result from them. Digitalisation starts during the planning process, and that's where we start with our overview. Most of our clients here are architects, specifiers, engineers and general contractors. Here I am in the office for technical order handling. The customer and project-specific drawings are all produced here. I can remember when CAD drawings were the first digital exchange of information that we would share with our clients. For more than 20 years, we've provided project-specific CAD drawings to our clients, and for over 30, we've been designing with CAD support. In addition to our standard drawings and professional consultation with the client, we offer a complete technical documentation service for all of our products. Next, we see 3D drawing, as we now produce them, and this in turn can be transferred to step format, which is forwarded to our clients. Here on the desk, you can see an old quotation drawing from our archive. It's a relic now from old times, when drawings were produced on a board. In recent times, BIM has become the highest level of digitalization in the building industry. BIM stands for Building Information Modeling, and it's the latest virtual 3D design tool for planning buildings. From first concept through monitoring all the way to demolition of the building, BIM enables all parties involved to easily access a certain building status at the same time. This makes BIM a perfect tool for all building projects and provides full transparency for quality and cost control to all responsible parties. This not only simplifies cost calculations and planning and makes them quicker, it makes them more precise as well. No matter if you're an architect, engineer or general contractor, all the required data like dimensions, material specifications and so on can be downloaded from our homepage or from the BIM Object Portal, which is the largest worldwide BIM platform in several languages. With only a few clicks, all the relevant data and information can be integrated into your project plans. This is offered in Revit, ArchiCAD and AutoCAD as the most common formats used. Not only during the planning process, but also during daily operation, digitalization offers opportunities to optimize potentials, accelerate the process, and importantly, reduce costs. Imagine the following scenario. A client has a problem. They call EFAFLEX. A service technician arrives on the site and realizes it was just a small problem. But anyhow, the client faces downtime on the door and the costs associated. To avoid such situations, EFAFLEX developed a tool called EFA-Smart-Assist to be able to offer quick, efficient and cost-saving support to our clients. EFA-Smart-Assist is a tool. It's used for remote troubleshooting. It makes the process clearly quicker, more efficient, and helps to save costs as well. EFA-Smart-Assist is based on a system used by emergency and rescue services. How does it work? Everything the client needs for this process is based in a smartphone. You don't even need an app. If a client faces a problem with a door, he simply calls the EFAFLEX hotline. During the call, the EFAFLEX service colleague can send a link to the client's mobile, if the client agrees, of course. Once the client clicks on the link, a direct connection between the smartphone and the service advisor's PC is opened. After the client clicks on the link, a live connection is established between the smartphone and the service advisor's PC. Our technician can now guide the person on site. They can mark details, transfer drawings and documents. He can also provide very detailed instruction how to eliminate a particular disturbance. Live chat is also possible, and this really clever tool also includes an automated translation device. This can eliminate language barriers, which can often cause really serious problems in live, telephone-based technical support. With EFA-Smart-Assist, EFAFLEX has developed a digital tool which simplifies remote analysis and troubleshooting a lot. Stationary doors interrupt logistics process and create costs. When a door develops an operating disturbance, you can simply keep it open, but this causes energy loss. Should the door be closed and taken out of operation, forklifts, for example, must take detours, which probably cause delays with the internal process. With EFA-Smart-Assist, we're able to help our clients to start troubleshooting quickly and comfortably via their smartphone. And should this attempt to solve the problem not be successful, a technician can still come out and visit the door. But in such a case, the symptoms we already recognise. Potentially, spare parts can also be prepared so they can arrive with the engineer during their visit. The EFA-Smart-Assist is our digital offer for intelligent troubleshooting. In the area of digitalised monitoring and maintenance scheduling, we offer a different tool. This is the task of the EFA-SmartConnect. EFA-SmartConnect links doors to a network and visualises them on an app by the same name. This system and the app itself is what I'd like to introduce to you next. First of all, we need the app downloaded. This can easily be done from the Apple App Store or from Google Play Store, directly to our smartphone. With all new doors, the required software, the EFA-SmartConnect Wi-Fi module, will already be integrated into the door's controller. Existing doors can easily be retrofitted with it if the door controller is the EFAtronic model. You can link the doors via EFA-SmartConnect either to an independent network, so one that doesn't communicate outside, or connect them to an existing company network. Once the doors and smartphone are within the same network, a complete overview of the doors included will appear on your display as soon as you start the system. At first glance, the user can recognise which doors are in use, whether they're open or closed, which doors are in motion, if a door has a problem, or if a service or maintenance visit is due. A quick overview is available using colour coding to show the status of the doors. If you now select a certain door, you will see the main information about the door. For example, the serial number, the location, the name of the door, the count of operating and closing cycles, and a recent display of information from the door controller. Under the icon of the spanner, the user will find information about the next due service visits and the parts in need of inspection. And all events are being listed exactly by the second. So if you now click on one of the events, a detailed description, perhaps an error code, and a clear written example will appear, together with any additional information. Should, for example, the event be a malfunction, one can easily find a list of possible reasons, together with a number of proposals to rectify the problem. This saves the user the time and the annoyance of studying handbooks with alphanumeric error codes and provides a comfortable, intuitive tool in which they can help themselves. Several possible problems can be solved in this way without any cost implication, but most importantly, by minimising downtime. Should the tool not actually help you solve a problem, simple click on the icon and you're connected to EFAFLEX. Within the submenus, Events and Maintenance, one can simply find the icon, Contact EFAFLEX. And support really is never far away. By checking the icon, the client can easily ask for assistance. For example, to send a service technician, receive telephone support, or to inquire about spare parts. And this functionality represents real added value towards the end user of the doors. The person responsible for maintenance no longer has to walk from door to door to find out what's going on, how many operating cycles they've performed, or if maintenance is due. He or she will get the information comfortably delivered to a smartphone or tablet. EFA-SmartConnect will be the basis for smooth interaction between the door and the smart building system of the user. The product user's smart building system manages the central monitoring and control of the building. EFA-SmartConnect provides an open interface. This seamlessly integrates the door into the smart building system. And it is through this interface the detailed door information will be provided and control commands can be sent to the door from the smart building system. The flexibility of EFA-SmartConnect allows simple integration into different smart building systems. For example, the Zigno from Siemens or Emalytics from Phoenix Contact. Essentially, this process is really very similar to integrating a number of doors into an automated production facility, something we've been doing for many years. Since digitalisation entered manufacturing a number of years ago, if we take machine protection doors for example, they too are not only controlled by the machine but also the building's management system. In the future, the digitalised processes will, for example, offer opportunities where we can react quicker, respond more efficiently and more effectively for our client requests. The results, cost savings and increased sustainability. That's all for the moment on digitalisation, and with this I pass back to Rebecca.
Thank you for joining us at the EFAFLEX Sales Academy today. I hope you will tune in next time again, and don't forget, follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn.